Hi guys, Mental Subject channel back here again, and I just show you one video. And about my hang on, wait, just come so improvise and yeah. Sorry for that, I didn't hear you. So I'm gonna show you the rock launches that I made. It comes up to 58 feet, which means 21.5 meters. So if you guys wanna do this, let's go. Alright, so this is what we do. Exactly. This is rocket launchers with the air pump system, which means if you stop, it will go up so high. So let me do that again. So if you wanna watch over there, well, if you stop, if you look right, so if you stop. Okay, this is what happened while I stopped. The rocket launcher will go off. Okay, this is actually what happens. So this is my rocket launchers. And if you stomp so hard, it will go up. Sorry. Watch carefully how much this rocket can fly. Watch out, watch out. Just go watch out. Watch. Watch carefully. Hang on. I can't put the camera at the moment. So this is what happens when you look. Yeah, exactly. 58 feet, which means so tall, eh? You can do whatever you like. Just make sure you look at this. Which means just do like this. You can hold as a gun. Shoot. Not the Nerf gun or something, but if you can't go up, just go up.
Wrapped in a ball with a plug from the phone.
If you wanna buy one, it's in the Kmart. Straight by
with a
special.
cigarette.
You just shoot like this.
All of the flowers have died in the vase.
Pretty easy, guys.
All
This is my
that
first
we are will
launches.
remain
It's
in
cool
the
like guns,
past.
but
It's
alright.
unresolved.
You can fly up to
Come to think
sky.
of it,
No, 58. So tall you can see up there.
Just about a bed awake at night, watching the colors taking flight. They are sailing on a long forgotten wave. Oh yeah, yeah. This isn't how it used to be, when all your thoughts and forms were free. Now they seem so lost.
Oh my gosh, on the tree. Sorry for that. It's actually like, exactly look like this.
Something to say to you, now you're gone.
They look like a boat.
You had to go and say the worst, the cruel things that I fell in love.
Okay, so
but never noticed all the things that you were.
look like a gun was a coat. And then they walk around.
Still by the bed, awake at night, watching the colors take flight. I hope you join them on that long forgotten wave. Oh yeah, yeah. This is the cruelest irony, that as you're dancing fancy free, the curse you've left is killing me. To hell your legacy.
If I just shoot over there. But not far, wasn't it? But it's alright. But watch, if I use foot, it's going to be about crazy. Shoot up there. Look exactly what happened.